Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, today we will complete our comprehension in English grammar. Sanu learns to share. Children, in our last session, we read out the passage and we understand it. Children, and I ask you to read it 2 more times. Have you read it 2 more times? Very good. So today it will be easier for you to complete its exercise. Come on, page number 64. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Children, you all will read with me. What is the name of the small girl in the story? Answer. The name of the small girl is... Children, as I already said, the answers are in the passage only. So that it is very important to read the passage carefully and understand it. So let's find the answer from the passage. What is the name of the small girl in the story? Sanu. Sanu is the name of a girl. So we will write it here. The name of the small girl is Sanu. First letter capital, don't forget. It is a special name, so we will write Sanu with the first letter capital. Second, how old is the little girl? Again, look at here. She is 5 years old. So Sanu is 5 years old. She is 5 years old. Question 3. Who comes to her house to play? His friend, the boy. But what was his name? His name is Nunu. Nunu comes to her house to play. Again, first letter capital, don't forget. Nunu comes to her house to play. Isn't it easy, children? Yes, it is very easy. Why is the girl angry? The girl is angry because Nonu wants to play with her teddy and Sanu doesn't want to give him because Nunu wants to play with her teddy. Question 5. Why is the girl happy at Nunu's house? The girl is happy at Nunu's house because he gives her the toy car to play. He gives her the car to play. Question 6. What do you learn from this story? Children, we will write down the answer, but you think it first. What do you learn from this story? The story teaches us that we should, what should we do? We should share our toys. We should share our toys. With whom? With our friends, with our cousins, with our brothers, sisters. We should share toys with them. Now, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the story. Again, I remind you children, it is very important to read the story first, because we will find the answer, we will get the answer from the passage only, from the story only. 1. Sanu has many toys. Sanu has many toys. Look at here, children. It is here in the passage that her mummy buys toys for her, and she has lots of toys. And when Nonu comes his house, she shows him all the toys. Sanu does not share her teddy with Nonu. Number 3. Nonu gives his. What does he give to Sanu? Toy car. So Nonu gives his toy car to Sanu. And what does Sanu learn? Sanu learns to share his things. Shanu learns to share her things. We also learn that we should share our toys with our friends, cousins, and our brothers, sisters.